Maria Sparks with Cork and Platter, and today we're going to make peanut butter and caramel syrup sandwiches. Today we're going to do it panini style. We're going to use a ciabatta bread. You can use focaccia. Anything that it looks like a roll is how we're going to cook this sandwich. Slice the bread open. For the inside of our sandwich, this is really simple. It's peanut butter, and this is a recipe for one sandwich. I use 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. There we go. So it's nicely spread out both sides. And the next thing that we're going to add is our caramels. Now we're going to add the caramels whole, just like I'm sure you've seen these during Halloween. These are what you make caramel apples with. So what we do is we slice the caramels thin, and my trick for getting caramels or anything soft like brie cheese is put it in the freezer for a little while. Don't let it get frozen, but you put it in maybe for 5 minutes and it'll get nice and firm, and then the knife will just go right through it and it won't stick to your blade. It's amazing. So I'm going to keep it simple today. I'm going to do our little caramel peanut butter, put the top on. Now here's where you can either do butter like you would a grilled cheese sandwich. I do a little secret, and I actually like to put mayonnaise. I spread mayonnaise on my sandwich. It gives it a beautiful golden color and a little bit of a sweet flavor to it. I just love it on my paninis. I make all my paninis with mayo. Now once we put this in the panini press, it's going to get all squishy and gooey and melty. So here's our panini press, and we're going to stick it in the center, and then we're going to press it down and give it a nice squeeze. We want to press it down so that all the flavors get in there, but what's really important too is to make sure that the top squeezes down and touches the caramels, and then the heat will melt all the caramels. So I'm pretty sure this is done now. Give it a little check. Oh yeah. Can you see the grill marks from here? Amazing. Look at all that oozing out of there. A phenomenal sandwich. Can you see that? The caramel is all saucy. Peanut butter's melted. Now we're going to give it a nice cut. Oh yeah, look at that. And here we have peanut butter and caramel syrup sandwiches.